But the point of this particular point in time is that your blade must be fully buried because see how high this boat is sitting on because of the back of the boat. So look at how Joe's on the whole IDBF label is still showing. So the boat should always be tilted so that you can just paddle like this, which is easy paddle. And his blade is always buried. So when you're really going gung-ho at it, they're around the corner somewhere. I don't know. No. Maybe I'll have to do it. Alright, I'll do it. Yeah, so the video camera on the left side.
Lost them out. Give me a
See
pound.
how basically the balance is like
That's it.
So they
Nice work.
to make the boat isn't the tilt part. Like, tilt is just the tilt to get
Push. Lift.
problem is
Come on out.
That's it, Ellie. Keep it on. Keep breathing.
Come on out. Okay, out.
Bring the right up again.
Now, come on. Give it all. Give it all.
Bring the right up. Come on, bring it up. That's it.
that's the type of technique you should be looking at.
Breathe, Maya. Breathe. Come on.
That's it, Mike. Keep it on.
Keep going.
Come on.
You're doing well.
Use your legs. That's it. See if you can bring the right up a bit. That's it.
Keep ripping the paddle back. You're doing very well.
Nice work, Mike. Keep it
You
on.
got it.
Excellent work. Keep it going. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. You're doing it, Mike. Keep it going. That's it. Beautiful work. Keep it on.
Finish it up, Mike. Come on. Come on, Mike.
Nice work, Mike. Come on. Finish it off.
Shut up. Come on.
Brain.
Go. Yeah, no, they did that. They're just fine. Going to what?
Là tôi không đi. Không đi.
Shut up. I can't hear what you're saying. What?
What?
Yeah,